Welcome to the new era of video creation with AI stock picking. Analysts say Supermicro computer stock is extremely attractive right now. Should you buy SMCI? Here are the contents. Supermicro Computer Inc., commonly known as Supermicro, is a prominent player in the high-performance computing industry. The company specializes in designing and manufacturing server and storage solutions that cater to a wide range of applications, including artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and enterprise IT infrastructures. The Motley Fool. Supermicro's close collaborations with leading technology firms, such as Nvidia and Intel, have positioned it at the forefront of AI infrastructure development. By leveraging these partnerships, the company delivers cutting-edge solutions that meet the evolving demands of data-intensive workloads. The surge in AI adoption across various industries has significantly boosted Supermicro's revenue growth. Organizations are increasingly investing in AI capabilities, driving demand for high-performance computing solutions that Supermicro adeptly provides. AI Invest. Looking ahead, Supermicro's strategic focus on next-generation data center technologies, including liquid cooling and energy-efficient designs, aligns with the industry's shift towards sustainable and scalable computing solutions. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the company remains a key contributor to the advancement of AI and cloud infrastructures. As of May 5, 2025, Supermicro's stock is trading at $32.17. The company reported impressive financial results for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, with revenue reaching between $5.9 billion and $6.0 billion, marking a 181% increase compared to the same period last year. MarketWatch AI Invest. The non-GAAP earnings per share, EPS, for the quarter are estimated between 0.75 and 0.76, reflecting the company's strong operational performance amid growing demand for AI infrastructure. Yahoo Finance. Supermicro's market capitalization stands at approximately $2.1 billion, underscoring its significant presence in the high-performance computing sector. The company's robust financial health positions it well to capitalize on emerging opportunities in AI and cloud computing. These financial milestones highlight Supermicro's ability to scale its operations effectively and meet the increasing demands of data-centric industries. The company's commitment to innovation and customer-centric solutions continues to drive its growth trajectory. Analysts currently maintain a buy consensus on Supermicro with an average 12-month price target of $48.73, suggesting a potential upside of approximately 51.5% from the current price. Price targets range from a low of $32 to a high of $93, reflecting varying perspectives on the company's growth prospects and market conditions. Considering the current valuation and market dynamics, an entry point between 30 and 35 may offer a balanced risk-reward profile for investors seeking exposure to the AI infrastructure sector. Investors should monitor market trends and company performance to identify optimal entry points. Supermicro's strong financial performance, strategic partnerships, and focus on innovation contribute to its favorable investment outlook. However, potential investors should remain cognizant of risks such as market volatility and competitive pressures that could impact the company's performance. Supermicro recently issued an earnings warning for the March 2025 quarter, citing customer deferrals of orders to the June quarter. This development highlights the company's exposure to fluctuations in AI infrastructure demand, which can impact revenue and profitability. Investors.com. The high-performance computing market is characterized by intense competition, with numerous players vying for market share. Supermicro must continue to differentiate itself through innovation, quality, and customer service to maintain its competitive edge. Supply chain disruptions, whether due to geopolitical tensions, natural disasters, or other unforeseen events, can affect product availability and lead to increased costs. Proactive supply chain management is essential to mitigate these risks and ensure operational continuity. Investors should consider these factors when evaluating Supermicro's investment potential, balancing the company's growth prospects against the inherent risks in the dynamic technology sector. Supermicro's impressive growth trajectory, operational efficiency, and strategic partnerships position it as a compelling investment opportunity in the high-performance computing sector. The company's focus on innovation and customer-centric solutions enhances its competitive advantage. Analyst consensus indicates a favorable outlook, with an average 12-month price target of $48.73, suggesting a potential upside of approximately 51.5% from the current price. Investors considering Supermicro should look for entry points between $30 and $35 per share, aligning with current valuations and growth prospects. Market beat. While the company faces challenges such as market volatility and competitive pressures, its strong financial performance and strategic initiatives provide a solid foundation for long-term growth. Investors should monitor market conditions, company performance, and industry trends to make informed investment decisions and capitalize on Supermicro's growth trajectory.